So you have a Fitbit Sense and it's not charging. I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now. Okay, now take note that this one here is working. I know that this one here is charging because if you just swipe to the right, you can see the lightning bolt on the icon right there. If I pull it off, there is no lightning bolt. If I pop it back on, give it 1 second, and then you see the lightning bolt back on there. Okay, now some of you guys may have one that's completely dead where it's a black screen, it's not turning on at all. Okay, so the first thing is this. What I want you to do is go ahead and pop it onto the charger, and I want you to wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, and it doesn't matter if your watch is on or if it's just not charging or if it's completely dead. Okay, wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, I want you to come back here with it charging still. What I want you to do is press and hold the side button, okay? This right here. So press and hold, do not let go, okay? Pretend my screen is totally black, okay? I'm still holding onto the button here. I'm not gonna let go until I see a Fitbit logo appear. So I'm still holding on here. Pretend the screen is totally black. This watch, pretend is totally dead. I'm still holding on to the side button here. I just felt it vibrate. Now I'm waiting for the Fitbit logo to pop on. There it is. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for it to boot back up. Now once it boots back up and you still have on the charger, just see if it's charging, okay? Again, you can just swipe to the right and you should see, oops, let me pull this out. Let me put this back on here. And then we should see the lightning bolt, okay? My lightning bolt is not shown because mine's already at 100%. Anyway, if you guys are up and running, great. If not, we're gonna go to the next step here. So the next step, now it's possibility like wherever your charger is plugged into, what I want you to do is plug this in somewhere else, okay? Plug this into a laptop, or even if you have like one of these wall adapters, plug this in there, plug into the wall outlet, and then go ahead and pop it on your pop your watch onto the charger and wait 5 minutes, okay? After 5 minutes, I want you to do the same thing. Press and hold that button on the side here. Don't let go until the Fitbit logo appears, okay? And then hopefully you guys are up and running. If not, we're gonna go to the next step. Now for this next step is a possibility that there's something wrong like here on the back or even on the charger. What I want you to do is just grab your thumb and I want you to kind of like rub over it, all the sensors like this. And the same thing with the actual charger here. The pins right here, go ahead and just rub your thumb around it. And now what I want you to do is go ahead and pop it back on the charger, leave it there for 5 minutes, okay? After 5 minutes, I want you to come back and I want you to press and hold the side button. Do not let go until you see the Fitbit logo appear, then go ahead and let go and then see if you are charging now, okay? If it's still down, the next thing, what I want you to do is this, and this is the issue that I had where basically, I think because I went swimming like multiple times and all of a sudden it wouldn't charge. And I tried all these steps and finally when I got the alcohol out and I cleaned it up, it finally started charging again. So what I want you to do is go ahead and grab any kind of like rubbing alcohol that you have. And then you want to go ahead and grab like a Q-tip as well. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and dab a little bit of alcohol onto the Q-tip here, just a little bit. And then I want you to go ahead and the back of your watch, what I want you to do is just clean that up like this. Give it a little bit time to air dry, and the same thing with the charger as well, okay? Just go ahead and go around these pins with a little bit of dab the alcohol around there. All around there. Go ahead and blow it a little bit. Then what I want you to do is go ahead and pop your watch on there, wait 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, while it's on the charger now, I want you to do the same thing. Press and hold the side button and wait until you see the Fitbit logo appear. Once it appears, go ahead and let go. Let it boot up, and then go ahead back to your phone and then swipe to the right and then see if it's charging again. You'll see that little lightning bolt up there. You don't see a lightning bolt on mine even though I'm charging mine because mine's already at 100%. Anyway, if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. I'm going to say like all these solutions will work for at least 60% of you guys, okay? Good luck.